Alright guys, so this is the first time we're about to do this right here. This might not be like a very big step for some people, but for me this is pretty cool, so check this out. So that's a good sign right there. We just turned the motor over for the first time right there. So pretty good little moment right here. So we're getting there. Alright guys, so what I thought I'd do was I'll just kind of walk over and talk about some things going on the car. We'll start back at the back here and work our way up. We've got the battery and stuff installed. We've got the Flaming Rivers kill switch and stuff put in back here, and also inside the car as well, right there beside aerospace shifter. Right now I've got my wiring panel kind of set up a little bit. We still got a lot of wires that need to be cleaned up and just made real nice and tucked in and stuff, but right now it's just really rough. So just give me a few days on that and we'll have all that looking really nice and cleaned up. Moving on out here on the outside of the motor and stuff here, we've got a lot of wiring and stuff coming out of the firewall. All that still needs to be cleaned up, zip tied up, and just cleaned up to where it just hugs the chassis and making all that stuff real clean right there. We're in the phase now of putting it back together. I will be putting a firewall bump switch on, so that way when we need to adjust the rockers and stuff, we can just bump the motor over and stuff there. But that was a really cool moment. We just got to turn this motor over and stuff. I was really happy about that. But anyways guys, just want to give you guys an update on everything we got going on. I still got some more switches I've got to wire up with my painless switches there, but this thing is coming right along. The torque converter is in it. It's got TSR torque converter in it, flex plate, all that stuff is all hooked up and stuff. So we're in business. That mid plate right there took me quite a bit of time. If you guys watch our YouTube episode and stuff, I talk about that a little bit more. We were running a thicker mid plate and that caused me a few problems I had to kind of overcome there. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more on the build, of course, go check us out on YouTube. That helps us out a ton on building this GTO here. Lastly, I am getting ready to weld up the burst panel and stuff on the intake. That's about to go on there. That's why it's apart. I've actually got quite a bit of aluminum welding I got to do to this thing before it goes on the car for the last time. But I think that's it. I've got myself a little bit of a list over there on the wall. You guys can see I've been checking stuff off and getting stuff done there. But again, thank you guys for watching. I'm really having a blast working on this thing, and guys, we are getting there. It won't be long and we'll be starting this bad boy up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KilmerSports.com, where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high performance products as well. And definitely a big shout out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.